Very good morning. Okay, so I just want everybody to concentrate on this because we did so many Gunitakshara.
And we have to see or write in my notebook.
Just see, children, just see. Okay, just see now. Okay, we did our what do you call like Kagunitas, right? And we added so many swaras like then we added then we added e, then we added e swara to our vyanjana. So Gunitakshara is very simple, children. You take any vyanjana and you add a swara to it. Okay, so you are taking your swaras and then you're going to add this swara to that
Good
vyanjana.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. And when each time that you do this, it's going to be easy for all of you to get started. Correct? Why is it so easy for all of us to get started? Because we know the drill. So we know the swara also. What is swara? The sound. After ru, it is a, and then it is a, and then it is I. So we learned it till this. Correct? A, e, u, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. These are the swaras. But in our Gunita Akshara, we had learned only till these. Now, why I'm writing this tabulation is, it becomes easy for you when you're writing all the Gunita Aksharas together. So we learned it individually, children, so far. Now, say for example, in case if I give you any Vyanjana, it becomes easy for you to write and to follow. How is it so easy? Now, say suppose if I am taking one letter. Okay, now you can all watch this the first time. The first time I will always take the letter K itself because everybody knows how to use all the formations using our letter K. Correct? So when I'm using the swara A, so when I'm trying to use the swara A, so what is the Gunitakshara that I get is what we're going to write. Now, yes, very good. So you're going to apply the same rule for K and then you write. So how you write, you say like K thala kattu K. Then it is Ka Dheerga Ka. Ka Gudu Si Ki. Very good. Ka Gudu Sina Dheerga Ki. Now Ka Kombu Ka Kombunuli, children. This is called Kombunuli. Koo. So remember the oo sound. Okay. Then what you have? Ka. What do we call this as? Very good. Ka Vatrasuli Kru. Okay, you have to remember the ru sound. Ka Ketva Ka Etva Ke Ka Etva Dheerga. What is Etva? Children, see it is like this. Etva means like Talakattu you have to write, but you have to write a loop there. Ka Ketva. So it is Etva. Ke Ka Kaitva. How do you write Kai, children? So you have to write a Ketva here and a Aitva. I is like this. Like la you write and write like this. Okay, so this is Ka Aitva Kai. How do you read it, children? Oduva vidana hegide? Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kru, Ke, Ke, Kai. Easy? All of you? Easy, children? It's very easy, correct? Now let's do one for one letter. We will all do now. Okay, come on, everybody. Let's write it for the letter. I'll give you an easy letter. Okay, R. Okay, now let's write it for R. Everybody take your notebook. Let's write it for R. It's going to be very simple, children. Very, very simple it's going to be. Metansh, pick up your book, dear. Feroz, start writing, dear. Ready? Andrina, ready? All of you? Because it's a revision, okay? Because Aitva, till Aitva we have learned. See, we have learned so many Gunita Aksharas. If you know the formation of this, it's going to be very, very easy. Idana ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ. Okay, Bariyanva, Shuru Madanva. Shall we start, children? Let's begin. For
Ma'am,
the
we have to write in our notebook.
yes, you have to take your notebook and start writing in your notebook. What is the first thing? Write today's date as 28th of September 2021. Write today's date. Okay, so today's date is 28.
Ma'am, we also have in the book, ma'am, this page also have this in the book.
Oh, you have it in the book, but it is for all the letters. It is not for I. Okay, so we can write it in our book also. Okay, so we can write it in our book also. But you have to write only till Kai. Shall we write it in the book only, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first time we will learn it in the notebook only. The next letter when we are doing after the next class, we'll write it in the textbook. So we would have finished almost all them. So it's going to be easy. Okay, let's begin.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
one letter we're going to do. Only one letter we're going to do. Okay, shall we start, children? Okay, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ repeat. Notebook. Yes, Andrina, notebook. Start writing.
We just do this line.
Children, listen to the instructions carefully. We're going to do only letter R.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kiona?
we have to do this box.
You don't have to do the box. You don't have to do the box. Okay, just write. Just write. Give a little space. After every letter, give a finger space, children. Give a little finger space. Okay, so let it be a little far. Okay, ready? On the mark, get set, go. You have to write with Divya ma'am. Okay? Ra thalakattu ra.
It caught me, ma'am. My eraser, I just take it. Ma'am, what are we doing? Couldn't see it properly.
Ra thalakattu ra.
Okay, ma'am.
We have to write for ra. Next is Radhikara. If somebody is falling behind, copy it. I will not wait. Radhikara. Write on your own. Vedansh, write on your own. You know it. Radhirga. Put a dirga.
Dirga.
Wait, Andrina, don't tell. We are going one by one. Ragudu Siri. If you know it, you'll be quiet. All of you. Very good. Ragudu Sina Dhirga Re. Pronunciation is important. Re. If you don't know the sound, look at the abhav written swara.
Ma'am, my mom put the E letter into the
Beta, Andrina, no interruptions in the class. We have to talk only about what is been taught. Okay? Ra Kumbunulika, or you say Ra Kumbunuli Ru. Everyone concentrate only on what I'm saying, children. No other discussions. Ru. Suli Ru. Ravatrasuli Ru. Etva Re. Ra Etva Re. Ra Etva Dhirga Re. Ra Aitva Rai.
Ma'am, can you start again? I forgot that I was writing
Ra Aitva Rai. How do you read? Oduva Vidhana. Ra Ra Ri Ri, Ru, Ru, Ru. Re, Re, Rai. Idu namma oduva vidhana. The way we read it, children. This is how we read. Is everybody done? Is everyone done?
No,
Very
ma'am, still writing.
all right, all right. Keep writing. There are three more. There are three more children. There are three more.
It will comes like this. That is
What is it? What is it, Anjana? What is the doubt?
I'm writing this one.
Okay, okay. Keep writing. I'll give you 1 more minute. Very well done. Children who have completed it. Dheeraj, settle down, beta. Medhanj, good job. You're using the class rules of showing a thumbs up, not interrupting the class. Amazing. Good job here. All right. So like this, children, you can use any of the letters. You can use for any of the Varnamala and then you can begin writing. Okay. So now we are going to start the next Gunitakshara, wherein we are going to, what are the next things? 1 second. See here. Now we have 3 more left out. Okay. Everyone listen. Now after I, what do we have, children? After I, we have next letter. The next letter, what we have after I is O. Correct? A-I-O. And then we have O. And then we have Au. What do we have, children? We have Au. If we finish these 3, we are almost done. It's called Othwa, Othwa, Authwa. What is it called? Like how we have Ethwa, Ethwa, Aithwa. Like that we have Othwa, Othwa, Authwa. Can you repeat after me, everyone? What is it? When I take it with O, what do we call, children? What do we call it as? Othwa, Othwa, Authwa. Anish, read it. What is it? Othwa. Il nodu, board nodu. Othwa, Othwa, Authwa. Very good. Ritvika, what are the next 3 things? Othwa. Unmute. Priscilla, next is you. Very good. Priscilla, what is it?
Othwa,
Authwa. Authwa, not Aithwa. Au, because this is Au. Okay, the next 3 ones which you're going to do is Au. So it's Othwa, Othwa, Authwa. Okay, so let's get started with Othwa, children. Everyone write in your notebook itself. We're going to do now Othwa. Ready? You have to be a little quicker now. Okay, so we are going to do Othwa. So the symbol is, you're going to write like this. And then you're going to put a kombu nuli like this, children. So this is the symbol that you're going to put for Othwa. For what? For Othwa. For Othwa. Okay, ready? Here we go. The first Varga. What is our first Varga? The first Varga, what do we have, children? Very good. So we have our first Varga as K, K, G, G, Nya. Ready? So let's get started with them. I'm going to... Everybody keep it ready, children. Keep it ready. We'll start. Okay. Modalne dagi K Vargavana Bariyana. So when we are writing the K Varga. So how do I say? K Othwa Ko. Ka Othwa Ko. So how do I write? See, I write a ka, then I put a ketwa, and then I put a kombunuli like this. This is my ko. What is it called? Ko. Remember the sound O. O. So you have to remember the sound O. So ko. Next is the big ka. Ko. Simple, keep writing. Okay, write on your own. Go. Then the big G. So it goes go. So now ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದೋದು? K O thwa ko. K O thwa ko. G O thwa go. G O thwa go. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ. Okay, so this is related to our ko, kho, gho, gho.
Next varga is cha, cha, ja.
ಹೌದು. ಚ ಛ ಝ ಝ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಚೊ. ಚ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಚೊ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಚ ಓ ತ್ವಾ ಚೊ. ಛ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಚ ಓ ತ್ವಾ ಚೊ. ನನ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಜ ಓ ತ್ವಾ ಜೊ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು.
Wait for me.
I'm waiting for everyone. This we know, children. So we have to write a little quicker. We can't take more time in this. Because we have to do words also. Ja, o, twa, jo.
We write this one and we can
Till we finish all the Vattaksharas, I will not do words. Okay, jo.
Ma'am, which vargas?
This next is ta varga.
Okay, ma'am.
Cho, cho, jo, jo. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಚೋ ಚೋ ಜೋ ಜೋ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಟ ವರ್ಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, ಠ ಠ ಡ ಡ ಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು? ಟೊಟ್ಟೋ ಡೊಡ್ಡೊಣ್ಣೋ. ಟೊ ಟೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ. Okay, for a letter, you have to put a ketwa. Ketwa means write a line and just loop it like that. And then
Wait for me, ma'am.
Nuli. Children, keep writing. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? Keep writing. I'm not going anywhere. To, tho, dho. Maintain the speed of writing. Do. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಢ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. How you write the big D, children? You write the D, right? So you put a ketwa. So that becomes this. And then you put a kotwa like this. Do. So that becomes do. To, tho, dho, dho. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. See, you take a talakattu like this, then you put a, and then you write no. Tho, tho, dho, dho, no. Priscilla, sit properly. Children, you have to sleep early and wake up early. Otherwise, you will feel sleepy early in the morning. Sit down properly, settle down. Very good. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಥ ಥ ಧ ಧ ನ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಥ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಥ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? ಈಗ ಥೋ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಥೋ ಟೋ ದೋ. ದೋ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? ಧ ಬರ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ದೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
My ta varga, ma'am. I'm not writing the ta varga.
Why?
Are we writing the O varga
Huh?
or I? Are we writing O or I?
You're writing O. Otwa.
O.
Otwa.
Okay, ma'am. I was thinking Aitwa because the big one is there.
How do you write Aitwa? So if you're writing Aitwa, it will also have a Aitwa, and then it will write like this. This is Aitwa. This becomes Kai. Okay, so this is
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am, for telling me.
okay. Yeah. So don't get confused, children. Okay. So if you're getting confused, it's okay. Turn back your pages and see Aitwa. This is Otwa. Okay. Tho, dho, then dho. The big the. To, do, do, no. Yes. This is to, dho, no. To, dho, no.
Ma'am, I'm writing no.
Write fast.
Okay.
The next one, children, I will not write. Okay, so I will give you as the homework. The O-thwa, I will give you as the homework. Sorry, I wanted to tell you this. Okay, this is not O. This is O-thwa. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೋ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ yes, so you have to write po.
Bo.
Po, po, b. Okay, so that is b. So how do you write bo? So you write a etwa and a kombunuli like this. Bo aitala, amele bho.
Ma'am, after that it's more.
Correct. It is mo. So oduva vidana, popo, bobo, mo. Very good. Ha makle?
Is homework. Ma'am, the popo bobo is in the homework.
No. I will tell you what is for homework. Now write the avargiya vyanjana.
Ma'am, I'm writing the no.
Anjana, write fast, dear. You're writing a little slow today. Maintain the pace. Start writing. Concentrate. Okay, next is our avargiya vyanjana. So it becomes.
Is this the homework?
I will tell you when there is homework. Anjana, concentrate what ma'am is telling. Keep writing. I will tell you what is homework. Okay, everyone, please write, children. Yo.
Ma'am, I'm in the big the.
No problem. You all know it, children. You can write it on your own. Don't wait for Divya ma'am. Write on your own. Yo, ro, try writing on your own. Okay, so you know the drill. Just apply the concept. You have to put a etwa and a kombunuli like this for any of the letter. For learning otwa. Yo, ro, lo.
Write it no.
Wo.
Now I'm writing popo bobo.
Show. Sh, otva. Show. Sa, otva. So. So ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹ ಹ ಓತ್ವಾ ಹೋ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಳ ಓತ್ವಾ ಲೋ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಓತ್ವದ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ. All these are our OTVA's ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Everybody quietly look at it and try to complete it. Okay? ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ who wrote it? Who said ಆಯ್ತು?
ಏಕಾಂಶ್.
ವರ್ಣಿಕಾ, ಏಕಾಂಶ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay. Very good. The right speed. So that means Varnika and Ekangsh concentrate. Very good, Varnika, Ekangsh, because you both followed the rules what Divya ma'am said, that you have to write with me.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
You had full concentration and you did not interrupt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Kiona. Very good. Good job, dear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Who all finished with me? Who all finished with me?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Medhan.
Me, ma'am. Me, ma'am.
Good.
Finished. Thank you, ma'am.
That's why
Ma'am,
children
Priscilla
Haha.
also. Priscilla also.
Also. Okay, very good. Now I will tell you what is for homework. Okay, now I will tell you what. Yes, Medansh, I saw you. I saw you, dear. I saw your hand raise. Okay, so you are maintaining the class rule of raising the hand. Whoever is following the rules, amazing children. You have to know to take turns. You have to know when to speak. You have to know when to be quiet. You have to know when to listen and how to listen to the rules. When ma'am is saying something, when you're cutting, it's like interrupting. Okay, after I finish, you can raise your hand if you have a question. Very good, Karis.
Thank you, ma'am.
What happens when we are constantly interrupting the entire class focus, disturb children?
Can show you. I wait for me, ma'am.
I'm waiting. Write with me only, that's why. You will catch up the speed. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you, whoever has finished writing, put your pencils down. Listen carefully, children. We just did Otwa now. Yes, Varnika, put it down. I've seen. Okay? So we just did Otwa. Now, what is the next letter that we have with children? The next letter what we have is Otwa. Right? So the next letter after O is O.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a look. I'm writing in pink color. I'm writing in pink color on the right-hand side of mine. After O, we have something called as O. Correct? Can I continue? Just now I was telling no interruptions. Can I continue?
Ma'am, I need to write, ma'am.
I'm just telling, listen, we have something for homework.
This is, ma'am.
I am telling what is for homework. Everybody listen. Everybody listen what is for homework. Okay? Children, just if you don't listen, how will you know what is for homework, children?
No, ma'am.
You will not know, right? Yes. Okay, now I want absolute pin drop silence. I'll give you time when to speak. Everybody will only listen. If anybody is talking in between that I'm telling homework, I will stop the class for today. Sorry for being strict.
Ma'am, in the evening, 2 o'clock is English, ma'am.
Andrina, what did I just tell you now? What are we talking? And what are you talking? Are we small little children, babies of Mont 1, Mont 2, Mont 3? Are we babies? Toddlers?
No.
Children who does not understand English, Kannada? No. We know the rules. When I say no interruption, it means no interruption. I know you are all excited. You want to talk to me. It's first class in the week. If one or two like this start in the class.
Yes, ma'am, the class is, the network issue is, ma'am, the class will end.
I am not
I
worried
need to
about
join-
class ending. Now I will end the class because nobody is listening. I want, if I have 17 students in my class, all 17 should understand. I want nobody to speak. Nobody means nobody. Everybody mute. Everyone will mute their phones. I'll give you time to speak. Till that time, nobody will speak. If one starts, all the others will start. It's really bad manners, children. I'm really disappointed today. Sorry for being rude. The whole class is getting punished today. See? I know I'm being little strict or firm, whatever you call it, but this is required. Discipline is more important. Okay, now big smile on your face. We'll come back to our class. Okay. So all the, okay. So just remember, now we're going to do for homework, children. We're going to do for homework. And what are we going to do for homework is Otwa. Just now we did Otwa. Now we're going to do Otwa. Now the symbol of Otwa is very much similar, children. So you're going to do a Etwa. Then you're going to put a Kombunuli. And then you're going to put a Dhirga. These are the three things that you have to put for Otwa because it's got a Dhirga. So how do you write it? See, I'm just showing in the same thing what we wrote now. If you're putting a Dhirga here, it becomes Ko. Ko. Ka Otwa Ko. Gha Otwa Go. Gha Otwa Go. So this is the homework that you have to do it. You have to write Otwa. Everybody got it? Cha Otwa Cho. Look at Divya ma'am. I'm going to put a Dhirga in the pink color. Cha Otwa Cho. Ja Otwa Jo. Ja Otwa Jo. Ta Otwa To. Tha Otwa To. Dha Otwa Do. Da Otwa Do. Na Otwa No. Ta Otwa To. Tha Otwa To. Da Otwa Do. Dha Otwa Do. So like this, you have to finish your Otwa. Is it clear, children? Now you can unmute and ask me if you have any doubts. Now, Divya ma'am is all yours. Okay, so you can ask me now. It is your time. You can speak out now. Whatever doubt you have, children, yes, you can ask me now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Andrina?
I write it the all one, ma'am. This one class I write it.
Yes, you have to
Yeah,
write it
yeah.
in your notebook, children. Okay, so this is your homework that you're going to be do it. Okay, so everyone note it. Or just write the letter O, and after the class or in the evening you finish it. I feel like you can do it just after the class. Otwa. Okay, so once this is done, we're going to do Outwa, children. Okay, so this is done. Let's
Ma'am,
next page. Let's do Outwa.
Mom teach me. Ma'am, my mom will teach me in the night, ma'am. I just write the whole.
No problem, no problem. Now, children, let's write the Outwa. Outwa is very simple. The symbol, what you're going to write is like this. This is the symbol that you're going to write it. Ready? Shall we start? What is the drill? You have to write with Divya ma'am. When you're writing with Divya ma'am, it's going to be very easy. Write everyone with me.
Ma'am, can you share your screen?
I am sharing, dear. 1 second. One more time, I'll reshare it. Now we're going to do Autwa, children. It's called Autwa. Okay. Keep it ready. Let's write. If you're almost done with Autwa, we're almost done with Gunitakshara. Then we can begin to read words and write words. Everyone write with me only, children. Write with me only. The speed at which I'm writing, you write. Ka-autwa, cow. So how do you say? Ow. You say it as ow. So nodi, ka baradu, ow baribeku. How ek baritivi, ee riti bardu. See, you have to write like this. Look at this symbol. So this is how you will put the symbol to all of it. So what do we call it? We call it as Autwa. We call it as Autwa. Ka-autwa, cow. Ka-autwa, cow. You have to get the sound. Ow. Ow ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರಬೇಕು. Ga-autwa, gau.
Ma'am,
Yes?
it will be slow,
Sure.
ma'am. It is feeling difficult to type.
No problem. Gau. Ga-autwa, gau. Nodi, ee riti baribeku. You have to write the letter G. Go with a thalakattu like this. And then you go with the ow like this. It has to be like this. Okay. Gau. Amele dodda G. How do you write the big G? It was very simple. You write the G first. And then gau, children. How do you write gau? Ga-autwa, gau. I'm showing it in big. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಘ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. Like this. Now you have to make gau, right? So what is the symbol? Put a thalakattu, you go up and then you come down. Gau. One line ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Gau. So ಓದುವ ವಿಧಾನ, how do you read it, children? Cow, cow, gau, gau. Cow, cow, gau, gau. What is the next varga we have? The next varga we have is cha varga. Very good. We have cha varga, children. Cha varga. So now cha varga na heg baribeku. It is very similar to how we write here. Okay. So we start with cha. Cha-autwa. Write the letter cha. Chow. Nodi, bahala sulba. You write the letter cha. Put a talakattu. Go up and come down. So this is chow. Okay. Sahasra, what's the next one?
Cha.
Very good. Cha-autwa, chow. Very simple. You write the letter cha. Then you put a autwa. That's all. You put the autwa. Cha cha. Amele yen barutte Lalit. What's the next letter? Jau. Jau. Very good. So you write the letter ja like this, right? But you say, you bring the jautwa. Nodi, you have to write your letter J. How is letter J? The letter J itself was like this. Now you're going to put a autwa to it. So that becomes Jau. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಜ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ. You have to write the letter J, children. So J itself will have a talakattu like this. Then you're going to put a aitwa. Sorry, autwa, right? So you have to put a autwa. So that becomes your jau. ಈ ರೀತಿ jau ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ j. You have to write the next j. What's the next j? The big j. How do you write it? J autwa jau. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ j ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have to write the letter j. This is how the letter j is. Then you are going to put a autwa, children. Jau. How do you write it? You write the letter j. ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ j. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಔತ್ವ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. j ಔತ್ವ ಜೌ. Good job. Dheeraj, what's the next varga? Okay. Ravish, what's the next varga?
Tau.
Tau. Very good. Tau. Tau and ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಟ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ. So write the letter T. Then put a autwa. Tau. Simple. Write the letter T. Autwa. Tau. Nan jotege baribeku. Write with me. Okay. Then everybody will finish on time. Then the next one is tau. Very good, Kashvika. So tha baradu ee riti autwa. Ta autwa tau. What is the next letter, Ekangsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Next letter yaudu? Odbeko. Dau. Thau, thau, dhau. Aitam. Okay, Hanish, what's the next letter? Dhau. Very good. Very good. Tau. Thau, thau, dhau, dhau. What's the last one, Priscilla?
The last one is no.
Very good. So how do you write the letter?
Autwana.
Now. Very good.
Wana.
Thau, dhau, dhau. Na autwa now.
Now autwana.
Very good. Vishika, what's the next varga?
Tau tau.
ಆಯ್ತು ಟೌ ಟೌ ಢೌ ಢೌ ನೌ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಟ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಟ?
Tau.
ಥೌ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಥೌ. ಟ ಔತ್ವಾ ಥೌ. Ritvika, what's next? ಟ ಔತ್ವಾ ಥೌ. Kushant, what's next?
Dau no.
Very good. Thau, thau, dhau. Nodi, idu autwa. Okay.
Dau.
Dhau. Very good. This is dhau. See, you write the letter dha. Then I put a autwa, children. So that becomes dhau. Then the big
No.
dhau. Superb. Dhau. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ carries, what's the last letter?
Now.
Wonderful. Now. Now, Kushant, I think you are drawing on my board. Please remove it, beta. I think by mistake you are touching the screen. Thank you, Kushant. Next, after this is what we have is our pa varga. So the pa outwa pau. ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೋಡಿ. I'll show you how to write it. So you write the letter pa like this, and then you put a outwa. How simple. That's our pau. Then the big pa outwa pau.
Bow.
Nine. Wonderful. Pa b. B outwa bow.
Bow.
Bow. So b outwa bow. Pow pow bow bow. Konedagi. What's the last one?
Mow.
Ma. Right. Yes. Ma outwa bow. Okay, I'm writing ma again. Okay, just see here. Ma outwa heg bariyodu anta toristini. Okay, so it is like write ma, children. Write ma like this. Okay, so this is your ma. Now you're going to write a outwa. So you have to write like this. Mautwa. Okay, easy? Very simple. How did we do it? We wrote the letter ma, and remember this symbol. So ee reeti bardu mautwa. So idu mau agate. Oduva vidana pau pau bow bow mau. It's funny, but it's nice. Last is our avargiya vyanjana. So let's write ya outwa yau. Yes, ya, yau, rau, love. Okay, so it is ya. Nodi, ide reeti barkondo. Now, ee reeti outwavan baribeku. Okay, so how do you write your outwa, children? So you just write your letter ya. Ya bardu outwa. Ee reeti baribeku. Okay, then rautwa. Rautwa. Nodi ra baradu outwa. Aita? Then la outwa love. Now this time I will see how many of you all will write with Divya ma'am. Amele, Sahasra, what's the next letter?
I'm already done.
You're already done. Va, out, wa, wow. Feroz, what's the next letter? Sh, out, wa,
So.
shao. Very good. Medhansh, what's the next letter? Sh, out, wa, wonderful. Sh, out, wa, shao. Kiona, what's the next letter?
Letter is
Sa, out, wa,
so.
sa, out, wa,
So.
sao. Good job. Varnika, what is the next letter? Her, out, wa,
Out.
out, wa, how. You have to say how. Okay.
How.
Very good. Ekansh, what's the last letter? La, out, wa,
Low.
very good. Kashvika, can you read all of them? Ya varga, the avargya vyanjana, yau,
Yau,
ah, ah,
lau, tau,
lau, vau, shau, 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 sau, how, and love. Okay. So this completes your which varga, Karis? Which varga did we do just now?
au,
Out varga. Very good.
autwa.
Outwa. So outwa anta karidini. Now the question is, how many of you
Just finished, ma'am.
with Divya ma'am? How many of you all finished?
Ma'am, I did. I finished, ma'am.
Just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. How many of you all could finish with Divya ma'am? Okay. Very good, children. Very good. See, look at the speed of your writing. Speed of the writing is improvised. Very well done. Okay, so remember what is the homework? We have to do Otwa, the homework.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, we are almost done for the class, children. So that's it for the day. So complete writing the Otwa homework and you have to submit today only. Today only you have to submit. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, from next class we will do words. Okay, and we will write some of the every day. So it will get us practiced. All right. See you then. Have a wonderful day. Join the English class at 2 o'clock.
Bye, ma'am.
No class at 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock we don't have class. Okay. Good day, children. The next class is at 2 o'clock. Okay, go have your breakfast if you have not had your breakfast.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.